So basically, there's always that possibility of failure. And so clearly, if that's that possibility of failure, then it means that spanning tree should have measures to be able to switch when something happens so that we use the backup link. So clearly in this scenario, we have this link being the one which is being used. And so this one is blocked, but there's a possibility that this link may be blocked, or maybe this link may be blocked. And so we can utilize this when something happens. Now, when something of that nature happens, there's a two different scenarios. The first one is if this port is the one which is being blocked, or if this port is the one which has the issue, there's a failure. Now, since this port is the one which is having a failure and it is directly connected to this port on the same switch, so they are all sharing the same switch, this is direct link. So there's a direct link between this one and this one. So when something happens, easily this switch will know what to do. But there's also a situation where maybe this particular one, this switch would have its root ports being blocked. For some reasons, there may be a failure on this one. But the port which is blocked in our spanning tree is not directly connected to this device. So basically, even though this one is having a failure, the port which is the backup port, which is blocked, is not on this device, it's on another device. So it's what we refer to as an indirect link. So an indirect link is where you have a port which is blocked on a different device as a port which is failed. So they are not on the same device. This is going to fail, assuming this fails, even though this will come up because it's blocked, but we call it an indirect link because this device doesn't have a direct port which is blocked. It is an indirect port. It's just facing that port which is blocked.